Hi, this is Dr. Amihan, your humble servant in health in another part of Antique. How are you? Welcome to this talk. I hope that you are in good hands at the comfort of your home. Welcome. As of today, we're going to present to you a good, credible, peer-reviewed study about the proven efficacy of ivermectin used in preventing hospitalization death amongst COVID-19 patients. Ivermectin prophylaxis use for COVID-19. This is the title of the study. A citywide prospective observational study of 238,000 subjects using propensity score matching in Brazil, conducted from July 2020 to December 2020. Out of the 238,000 citizens in the city, 159,000 plus were enrolled or included in the study. And ivermectin was given or offered as an optional treatment to be taken for 2 consecutive days every 15 days at a low dose of 0.2 mg per kilogram body weight. And of that 159,000, 113,000 of them took ivermectin on a regular basis versus 45,000 plus who did not regularly took ivermectin as a medicine. So the result of the study is that out of the 113,000 who took regular ivermectin, 4,300 of them were infected with COVID. And of that number of patients, 44 of such patients were admitted or hospitalized. And of that hospitalized patients, 25 deaths in ivermectin regular users occurred. Now, with regards to the non-users of ivermectin, that numbered 45,000 plus, 3,000 of them were infected with COVID and 99 patients were hospitalized or admitted, of which 79 deaths occurred amongst non-users of ivermectin. Thus, the study revealed a 70% reduction in death, 67% reduction in hospitalization if ivermectin was used as a prophylactic drug against COVID. In conclusion of this large citywide study of ivermectin was given and was optionally given to almost all the citizens in that big city in Brazil, of which some took and some did not, and then they were evaluated of how many were infected after a certain period and how many of them died and how many of them were hospitalized and get sick with COVID and how many of them died of COVID. So that is the that is what the researchers evaluated in that type of the study. Now, in conclusion, regular use of ivermectin as a prophylactic agent was associated with significantly reduced COVID-19 infection, hospitalization, and death rates. In my clinical practice, I personally prescribe off-label, low-dose human-grade oral ivermectin to nearly 1,000 of my patients in the clinic ever since ivermectin hits the market during the novel pandemic. I usually gave ivermectin early before the patients become severe, together with other relatively cheap repurposed drugs for COVID. But there are times that ivermectin was also given to patients with severe symptoms. So, I give it early before the severe symptoms occur. But as I mentioned a while ago that sometimes you can give it also to severe COVID patients. And we did it before. And some of them did not want to be admitted in the hospital, so we managed them at home and in the clinic. And my personal experience was, I am quite satisfied with the results because there are many lives are saved. In fact, when we had moderate to severe COVID symptoms during the Delta variant surge last June of 2021, ivermectin belongs to the combination of relatively cheap or oral repurposed drug for COVID that we took at home in our COVID isolation time. In the clinic, many of our patients self-medicated with the drug for whatever reasons without doctor's advice and took the wrong dose of the drug, which resulted to underdosing or overdosing and undertreatment or with undesirable side effects of ivermectin respectively. So it is very important to ask help from your doctor before using it or taking the drug. These good peer-reviewed studies, as what I've said, which is observational, prospective study about ivermectin is now emerging and surely will add more credibility and add more confidence amongst the healthcare professionals that prescribes their drug to their respective patients. So I hope that this video gives you more reliable information with regards to the use of ivermectin, and if you find it reliable and informational, please offer a help, comment, or share and subscribe for free because I need that as a help from you, and I'm very thankful for that. So please do so. So once again, this is Dr. Amihan, your humble servant in health in another part of Antique, wishing you the best of everything, and bye. Good luck.